talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy.
Hey guys, so I'm just going to be doing a voiceover for this look. I'm starting off with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn to prime my eyes. And I'm just using this regular sponge because my dumb self lost my beauty blender. Either that or my sister stole it. Next I'm taking this Tartelette and Bloom palette, taking these two shades and setting my concealer with that because they're nice nude shades, so why not? Now I'm taking this Morphe 35B. I finally got my hands on this. It came in the mail, what the heck, the other day, literally, and I was so hyped because everybody uses this when they make colorful looks. So I'm just taking that colorful yellow shade and applying that to the crease to start off. Now I'm taking this very bright neon lime green with my Vasanti crease brush, and I'm applying that as my second transition shade. At first I applied very dull, so I'm just going to keep packing it on and building the color up until I get that pigmentation that I really want. As you can see, I'm taking my finger because my finger just, applies shadows, very pigmented, and then I'm just going to, dust that out with my brush. And again, I'm just going to build and build and build until I get the pigmentation I desire. Same thing with the other eye. Right here, I'm going back in with that brush I took the yellow shade with and just blending things out until they look seamless. Taking this dark green shade as my third and final transition color, I'm applying that to the, my final transition color and just building that up. As you can see, this one applied very dull as well. So, these are the colors that you have to keep on building and building until you get the, brightness that you want. And as you can see, I'm applying some to my outer corner just to deepen things up. And the same goes for my other eye, and then I'm done. I was totally joking in that last clip. We are not done, obviously. I am applying this lime green, that same shade I took earlier, and just making things blend, just the same thing as I did with that yellow shade, but this time it is with the green shade. Now I'm taking the Juvia's Saharan palette. This is the first one that they have, and I'm just taking that majestic, forest green shimmery shade and applying that to my lid. And then after that, I'm going to take my Vasanti brush, go back in with that bright lime green and blend things out just to make sure things are nice and blended. I don't want anything to look harsh. I don't want anything to look too bold. I just want them to look seamless and like I did a good blending job. Now I'm taking that same exact green shade like I took before and applying that to my lower lash line. And, I'm applying some to my, some to the transition color just to add more color, if that makes any sense. Back with that dark green shade, I am applying more to the lower lash line. And yeah, that is it for that. Now I'm taking my Anastasia concealer in 6.5. I'm just going to pretty much clean up my mess that I have made. I'm just going to clean up and sharpen up the eyeshadow look that I have done. I am just going to make things look more crisp, and as you can see, I'm blending it out with my finger so it doesn't look so harsh. Yep, so that's pretty much what I am doing. Same for the other eye. After that, I'm going in with my NYX Matte Liner and just making a simple line. Later on, I do correct this and make a wing because I did not like how dull it made my eye look. I'm just going to add a wing later, but you'll see that later on in the video. Yep. So after that, I'm taking my Mally Volumizing Mascara just to add some drama to my eyelashes and, pretty much just basic old mascara. There's no explaining to do with that. So after I'm done with my mascara, I'm going in with the Juvia's Saharan palette again, taking that shade Udabi, and this is going to be my inner corner highlight. And I just thought this was a perfect pair to add to the inner corner because it's so, bright and vibrant, and it's olive green. It just goes with the whole wilderness tropical forest theme. Now I'm taking this Sephora liquid lipstick in the shade 43. That's what I applied to my lips. And yes, right here is where I apply my wing. Yep, I'm applying my wing, you know, same old wing, and yep, wing, 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 wing. I'm applying a wing. You guys already get the drill. Let me get off this voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe. I am trying to get 150 subscribers by the end of the month. Please subscribe. That is my main focus here. That's my main goal for this channel, is to get subscribers and supporters and people who appreciate the content that I put out. So it's highly appreciated if you subscribe to my channel. Trust me, I cannot stress that enough. Like every person that subscribes, like every notification that I get that a subscriber like subscribes to my channel, I get so hyped. Like, guys, you don't understand how much I appreciate it when people subscribe to my channel. Again, subscribe. Also leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. I could care less. Also leave down some suggestions and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. And I don't know, that's all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.